You see when you see me? One like you not see me. It's like you not understand. My spirit not me don't like you. My spirit not take you. Simple, you is not my type. If you not understand.
A time I go come where you go use my son. And boom. It happen. Yeah, bro. Me know say you da use my son, bro. Cause through your system, me lyrical inclined. I'm a DJ and a cartel. No, me just start with lyrics, bro. No, me ain't a lyric. Just give us something, bro. Yeah, bro, cause Storm kind of fuck me.
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Puzzle up the card and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Prime Minister Andrew. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, Vybz Kartel. I talk to you now. I tell you this straight. See who rate me, and them me rate. You see who help me, and them me help. You see who big me up, and them me big up. You see me? Cartel, any man in Jamaica for you spend your money towards the relief step between the hurricane and must Isaac Buchanan. You're there in prison for almost your own 13 years, and you pay out millions to lawyer, and none of them couldn't get you out. And this man from nowhere, Isaac Buchanan, come and fight a case and get you out. So any money you have, if you're not going to spend your money yourself, don't put in anybody. I must Isaac and you put in. You have to big up who big you up. See who make you there live life. Now you can't be a prison and one you know. I don't wish that pan you know. More there road, you know. But you see Isaac Buchanan, we fight the case with you. If you fight back Isaac Buchanan case with him, make sure say him get things to him people them at Portland. And make sure say as a MP, feel things go good. Whenever you can sponsor him anything, sponsor him. And whenever your money you go spend at Jamaica and I know your family and you're close to them you go spend it, I must Isaac Buchanan. So Cartel, remember that. So if you send your money go give government, you're wrong. You could have come spend yourself or send it come give Isaac Buchanan. Truth or truth.
I know before the hurricane there was one big talk of the town. And that was that Mavado show that's supposed to keep in Jamaica. It's not going to happen. Until further notice, that show is cancelled. Even though on a ear, on a bigger heads come out and talk about it yet, take it from me. That show is cancelled until further notice. Because we are underwater. Jamaica need a fix. And it's no way nobody are going to find money figure on a party now. Jamaica have a boo-boo right now that need to, you know, we need to attend to. So, I sure it's not gonna happen. No show not gonna go on a Jamaica as big as, you know, Freedom Street or Mavada show that was supposed to keep. You know, so people, we just have to sit and wait until we clear up Jamaica and get everybody back on their feet and back in their house before we can start talking about a stage show again. Like I said, until further notice.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge me no care.
Sorry this happened right now, brother, but natural disaster.
Andrew Holness is a wicked and evil big pussy boy. When things that people want to see him face, so they're all over the news already. The people them in a crisis and you go down to Westmoreland and you not even care that you want 3 drum of water the helicopter them carry. You alone are going out, you them to eat you. Big pussy boy, you eat them are going to eat you. You think the people them glad to see you? You so you're wicked and stay. Take the whole of the money where US give man and share it up with the 35 or the 63 member we have. I'm going to take it and go on and come out of Jamaica and suck your mother. Big pussy boy.
You look a maga boy, 6'2" yard dancehall, me in danger. How we not see you down there on the ground helping these people? Me see all Beenie Man with film pregnant belly. Me hear say Vybz Cartoon deliver some money. Me don't know how truth it is. Me see all Mastica down there deliver. Me see all international artists fly down and deliver, but no Alkaline. And me no want nobody come tell me about, oh, you don't know, say I saw Alkaline go to work. Them man and a lot of them thing. He's not doing nothing. If him did do something, we would have seen. So Alkaline, we need to see you down there on this ground helping these people of Jamaica. You know, or the star or the celebrity, whatsoever of Jamaica, how do the people them give?
Chat, look at me. Yesterday, we got St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland go give people them some food, chat. As far as me see, food alone can't help them people here. They need us. Food alone can't help them people here. They need us. Andrew Holness, listen to me. Look for me, you get how much money. The government, the country them give how much money. Father Bossy, Andrew Holness, look for me, I go on my knee. Look here, Father, please, me I beg you, you need to go. And I St. Elizabeth alone mash up. Andrew Holness, you need to go. Westmoreland, them the people they don't know if you live. You need to go help the people them, Father. Please, me I beg you. Do. The people them don't have Falmouth, they don't know if you live. And the people them are Mandeville. And the people them are Hanover, Father. Andrew Holness, just do me I beg you. You say I go and go help the people them. Bumbo clot. The people them homeless is real. Bumbo clot. The people them down at Westmoreland. And you want to say how much people dead in our house? Me go and see they go give people much food, you know. Now, me just wake up and me want go back. Not even bed, me don't want bed. I see him blood clot close me away. Go back down there, go give people them some food. The people them homeless, you fuck. Eh? Chat. Yesterday when the people them get the food, it come like some people, like way back then, you know, all the water them. I see somebody turn one bucket of water in the heads and it done already. And Jonas, come on man, you don't need to go and go help the people them man. Because you don't know how to do it, you know.
No. Nothing what you do to me artist.
I want video.
What you do to me artist?
See that? They know you about long
What
time.
you do to me
No
artist?
man on video bumbo clock. Cause people are suck pussy on video. People are fuck body on video. See? Just use your ears. From the body now, fuck on your ears. Use it.
Bumbo clock.
First thing. And them can't deceive
Gaza.
A boy stick how we do that dead dog. Capital Alkaline say if I never fit a DJ style, they would have still black hungry and when we take bus, no feel like them cover. Brand new shoes, no that no in charge. Brixton kick out your mouth to the laughter. But you want to I go clash with Shibada.
So, me DJ.
The fuck down, man.
Vybz Kartel and Massacre, you know say anything on the DJ about the price go up. And from what the man does a talk about goat. Christmas just right around the corner there, you know. Yeah man, right around the corner there's a Christmas there. And everybody have to go buy a goat. Might know a price gone up and the goat them at $55,000 and go up a pass the garden with, you know. If you go buy one goat, you know. And the man tell me say $85,000 for in goat now, you know, brother. If I know $85,000, I have to go on and leave it, you know. Yeah, man, from the man, them got to talk about goat price gone up, way up again, you know, brother. Yeah, man, because you know say everything you know DJ about. The price go up, goat. Vybz Kartel DJ about goat, now Massacre come back a DJ about goat. You know the price gone up. Yeah, man, you have to move with me $55,000, brother. I couldn't even get to buy me goat take a Massacre and Vybz Kartel with this goat. You see it? No, right now, I can't get to buy me goat. Christmas just right around the corner. HELPFOR JAMAICA HELPFOR JAMAICA HELPFOR
You gotta pray for Jamaica, you know.
Nah, pray for them. Some of them say, wash with the blood clot, then too wicked.
But
It's time to drape up some of them, you see, and carry them up, put a bank inside, and thump them in them belly.
But Dad, you got family out there though.
It's how you good have to suffer feel bad. Then too wicked.
So you don't care?
No, Jamaica people too wicked. All the boy with the about him and government, it's time to thump him in his mouth.
Both of my government.
But Dad, you're going to Jamaica literally.
I don't business.
You're going to Jamaica in a couple of weeks.
I don't business. Make him go.
So whatever happens when you're out there?
Oh, it's time.
Yeah.
That time it's time. I'm over here, man.
But after storm's falling back, yeah.
Yeah.
And you hear the news. Well, how are you gonna react?
Me run come back. Get up with come back.
What they say the airport's locked off?
Well, me tell the airport.
No, but they say the airport's locked off.
Laka?
Yeah.
No, it have open to me when me.
Look at what, you wanna go as a convict?
Yes.
You're gonna wait as a prisoner.
Prisoner upon him.
So you so what you so put your hand behind your back and do the prisoner thing.
All the year ride, you know. All the way ride, all them style, you know. All the way ride down there.
$10 million for Southern St. James. $10 million or $10 million Prime Minister for give to Southern St. James. A real thing we are talking about now. What a wicked blood clot, boy, man. You wicked now, pussy clot. $10 million can't fix back Southern St. James. Eh? And that to not do with blood clot. A $10 million. What a wicked, dirty blood clot. Wicked people. Hey, you're the devil. You know, wicked, no blood clot. Where $10 million, $10 million can't fill back Catadupa. $10 million can't fix up Montpellier. $10 million can't fix up Cambridge. $10 million can't fix up Samael. $10 million can't fix up Maroon Town. $10 million, what $10 million can't blood clot though? Tell them $10 million not even can't fix bumbo clot, moko. $10 million can't fix girl and either ass yard. So then St. James big. And every house blow down. I don't want to deal with PMP certain blood clot. We want to turn up pussy hole, slave master, bumbo clot bloodline. None of this now go work in a Jamaica. The cake off a pussy clot share. The youth them cake off a share. The youth them house top of it go on in a every blood clot consequent. You know, pussy clot wicked, you know.
Yeah, with the liquor with the party, yeah. You hear me happy party, red. Fuck up the place, you want pay vibes. Yeah, with the liquor with the party, yeah.
This a phone of bumbo will plug up to the system. Was stuck to the matrix. We walk like on a bumbo cloud brain. Walk like on the phone on the brain. Suck on the mother. Eyes no have on the can't see, ears no have on the can't hear. Go suck on the mother.
Everybody down in a Vybz Kartel skin. I say Vybz Kartel a Freemason. And he ring on his finger. A Freemason and Freemason this and Freemason that. Yeah man. One night time I pay a Freemason. Everybody has a Vybz Kartel a Freemason. Now them as a massacre. I work with didn't call us there again man. Baphomet. Yes, they must say massacre work with Baphomet now. You see me? Can you have this chain and when you go big from what they and call himself goat? So they must say a Baphomet chain and the goat they look like a Baphomet and a bag of things. So me I say, right, you look like the artist, them have to go work with something. So what me don't want to know what Popcorn I work with, where Alkaline I work with. Where Alkaline I work with? I don't know if a Christianity them I work with.
Blessed love, let Jah rise a little, he said the scatter. Yeah, the whole ground are our ground. So water for the whole place, you understand me? And we not stop till the people them have enough water, you understand me? Yeah, and other supply. One blood family, represent for life.
Andrew Wellness head fi bumbo roll. Bill Gates head fi bumbo roll. JP Morgan head fi blood roll. Brock Rocket fi blood clot roll. Look what them a do to Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica. There's a gas crisis in Western Jamaica right now. From Mandeville onwards, you can have difficulty obtaining gas. If you're going west to do any business, any transaction, any family visit, please full up Kingston before you get.
Rap! I'm not sorry for them. Live up the place, Father God. Live up it, rap! Live up the place, Father God. Some of them too wicked. Live up it, Father. Then I want to see nobody else pitney make it. Rap! Live up the place, Father God. Live up it. Blow enough for them, Father God. We're not too wicked. Rap! I found a pitney alone for you. Live up the place, Father. Breeze and water. Wash out and sprinkle, Father God.
and release the youth them. Wash up the place. Live on the place, Father God.
What is need. You must have knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. The ear, paper.
Pull up after your night first and last. Hold your jacket.
Pull up. I want TV and a club of TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a tamot.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go shop and bum. The war start and I got done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try